Good day everyone, I'm Julius Ivan Peña and today I'm here to share a simple yet powerful idea. War divides but education unites.
Throughout history, war was always brought destruction, not just of cities and nations, but of relationship, trust, and humanity itself. It creates boundaries between people, turning neighbors into enemies and differences into reason for conflict. War feeds on misunderstanding, fear, and ignorance. It builds walls where there should be bridges. But in contrast, education does the exact opposite. Education opens minds. It teaches us to take the question and, most importantly, to understand one another. When we learn about different cultures, beliefs, and perspectives, we begin to see that our differences are not threats, they are strengths. Education replaces with fear with knowledge and hatred with respect. Imagine a world where people choose dialogue over violence, where conflicts are solved through understanding instead of force. That world is possible, and education is the key to achieving it. In classroom, we don't just learn facts and figures. We learn empathy, we learn how to listen, we learn that behind every language, every tradition, and every belief system, there are people just like us hoping for peace, dignity, and a better future. War may divide us by border, but education reminds us that we all belong to one human family. So let us invest in education, not weapons. Let us choose book over bullets and knowledge over conflict. Because when we educate minds, we unite hearts. In conclusion, the choice between war and education is not just a decision made by leaders. It is a choice that begins with each other. Every time we choose to understand instead of judge, to listen instead of argue, and to learn instead of hate, we already choosing education over division. We may not be able to stop wars overnight, but we can start building peace within our own communities, school, and even in our daily conversation. Peace is not something that only happens on global stage. It starts in small action, in open minds, and in educated hearts. As a student, we have a powerful role. We all we are the next generation, the future leaders, teachers, and citizens of the world. What we learn today will shape the kind of world we will live in tomorrow. If we choose education, we choose unity. If we choose understanding, we choose peace. So instead of allowing war to divide us, let us allow education to bring us together, stronger, wiser, and more united than ever before. Thank you.